म्हाड्डोळच्या कृतार्थ म्हाड्डोळ संस्थेन बसयल्ल्या वंदे मातरम महानाट्याचो पयलो प्रयोग बेरेस्तारा जालो। पहिल्या प्रयोगाचे उक्तावण मुख्यमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकारान बेरेस्तारा केले। महानाट्यात भारताच्या मुक्ती संग्रामाचो सगळो इतिहास आणि क्रांतिकारकांच्या जिणेंतले महत्वाचे प्रसंग उबे केल्यात। खासा उभारिल्ल्या स्टेजीर हो प्रयोग जालो। महानाट्यातल्या कलाकारांचो मुख्यमंत्र्यान भोवमान केलो।
कृतार्थ म्हाड्डोळ ह्या संस्थेन बसयल्ल्या वंदे मातरम ह्या महानाटकाच्या पहिल्या प्रयोगाचे मुख्यमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकारान बेरेस्तारा फार्मागुडेर उक्तावण केले। ह्या वेळार नाटकांतल्या कलाकारांचो भोवमान केलो।
ढवळ्या पवळ्या बिगी बिगी चला या मातीची कुस आम्ही उजवूर, मातीची कुस आम्ही उजवूर, शेतकऱ्यांच्या गावाची हो बेडसे सिकती मोत्यांची सुजलाम सुफला भाग्याची भूमी सोन्याची। International trade, having received the royal charter from the Queen Elizabeth I, we're here just to do the business. तो पिकर म्हणते आत व्यापार करायला आले।
प्रुडंटा खातीर विवेक प्रभू।
गोयच्या क्रिकेट मळार नामनेची परंपरा आशिल्लो चौगुले समूहाचो चौगुले वॉरियर्स पंगड GPLांत उदेत्या क्रिकेटरांक संद आनी उर्बा दिता। नवे खेळगडे वयर सरचे म्हण चौगुलेचे धोरण। नवे नवे पंगड GPL जिखपाक म्हण मोठे मोठे प्लेयर हाडटात। मात चौगुले उदेत्या खेळगड्यांक नाव जोडपाक आजूय आदार करता। ह्या धोरणात बदल जावचो ना अशें चौगुले कंपनीचो उपव्यवस्थापक सुरेश महादेवन म्हणटा।
What's the essence of Chowgule Warriors?
Well, keeping to our stand every year, I will say the same thing. The philosophy of Chowgule is to promote cricket in Goa. And promotion of cricket in any form or any arena is from the youngsters. And we always promote youngsters in cricket. And you will see more than half of our side are youngsters. And we are not only here to win, we want to promote the youngsters and give them a platform to showcase their talent.
Right. Yeah. What sort of platform does GPL provide, and how helpful it can be for the youngsters?
I think you're put in a very tricky question to me, because I'm a firm believer that T20 and one-day cricket is not the true cricket, the game of true cricket. What is essential is a multi-day tournament, which I request, I have been requesting, and I request still further to GCA that they should give a lot of thought, time and money for this multi-day tournament to be conducted in Goa. As you can see, the performance of Goans in the Ranji Trophy matches is pathetic. Unfortunately, in spite of all the infrastructure available in these days, that is only because they don't have the exposure and the experience in to play the 3-day matches or 4-day matches as it comes.
We know that Chowgule have a very rich tradition. There was a very nice famous tournament that was Alem Trophy in the past. So what are the plans from Chowgules to furthermore increase their contribution towards development of cricket in Goa?
I think Chowgules are a silent contributor to the game. They don't show what they are doing out to the world. It has always been the case that they do everything in the background. If you take, for example, Chowgule, many people are not aware that Chowgules have promoted not only Chowgule players but all the other team players also by way of taking them to Bombay and playing in a time shield tournament, which is supposed to be one of the most taxing tournament in Mumbai, where it's a multi-day match tournament, and most of our top players in Goa at some time or the other have played for Chowgules in this time shield tournament, and that in a way, by far has helped a lot of cricketers to adapt to different conditions and come out successful. And I think cricket, that is just an example of what Chowgules do. And Chowgules are also doing a lot in other ways. When we on the side, we are managing to promote youngsters who, even though they don't play for us, we take them to Hong Kong. Even though the cricket in Hong Kong is not great, we do take them, we do give them opportunities, we do promote them by many ways. Yeah. Yeah.
All the best, sir.
Thank you. We require it, and I think we hope we do a better job than the last 2 years, and let us see. Yeah.
इतल्या खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट। यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट।